Hello my YouTube family, welcome once more back to Dinner with Irajua. Well, it's very Christmassy in here, and yes, we baking some mini fruit tarts. Yes, okay, very Christmassy. It's just Christmas is just around the corner and we just cannot wait. Okay, so these are the ingredients that we're gonna be needing to make our tart. So first of all, we need an egg, which we have already put in our mixing bowl. And then we need some sugar. I've got all the measurements and ingredients listed in the description box, so please check it out. And onto that, I will add some baking powder. As well as my oil. As you already saw, I've added that. So we will whisk everything together and make sure it's very well mixed. And onto that, I'm just gonna add my flour bit by bit to achieve the consistency that I need. Yeah, and at this point I'm just gonna put my hands in because it does the best job. Give it a good perfect mix. You can also call this shortbread dough. Yeah, you can refer to it as shortbread dough. So just a bit of kneading to get the consistency that we need. Okay, so once that is done, what we will do is we're just gonna put it in a bag. If obviously you've got a cling film, that's even better. I just prefer to put in a sandwich bag and put it on the side. I've only put it in the bag just so it doesn't go dry. Okay, now onto our cream. We're gonna make our cream. So we're making mini fruit tarts. We'll be filling this with cream, so we're just gonna make the cream now. What I've done is put one egg, so we need first of all one egg, and then sugar, and then we have our vanilla essence. Put that as well in a bowl. And onto that we add some cornstarch. Like I said, all the measurements are in the description box. This is so easy to make, guys, and so easy to make. It takes a bit of time, so if you're gonna make this, what I will suggest is you start the process preferably day before, so we'll take our time and mix everything together. So once the cornstarch, the egg, my vanilla essence were mixed together, then I started putting in my milk bit by bit. And then what we are going to do is on a medium heat, just gradually heat this up. What we're trying to achieve here is a very thick consistency here, so gradually we're just gonna stir this until it thickens up. So once it's thickened up, we transfer onto our mixing bowl. What we are going to do is put this in the fridge for at least half an hour. We really need it to cool down. And we're gonna move on to our whipped cream. You can skip the whipped cream process if you so wish, but I prefer to do the whipped cream as well, because then I get a very, very creamy mixture. Obviously, you can just use this cream if you so wish, or I prefer to add, you know, some whipped cream just to make it more like a bit sort of fluffy, some creamy, ice creamy sort of, yeah, texture. So onto the whipped cream. First of all, I put my double cream, so I'm using double cream here. So double cream into the bowl, then bring it to a whisk. And then I'll gradually add my icing sugar. So instead of going for normal sugar this time around, we're using icing sugar for our whipped cream. So once that is done, again, bring everything together and refrigerate this time around for an hour and 15 minutes. We're gonna refrigerate this for, or even if you can go longer, that is much better. So an hour and 15 minutes, I'm gonna do this. So whilst both creams are in the fridge, we get on to our dough. I call this shortbread dough, let me call it that way. Yeah, so we cut out our dough. So once we finish using our dough cutter, I don't have those tart cases. Usually you want to put this in tart cases and use them. If you don't have it, do not worry. Alternatively, you can use your cupcake cases to do this. So all you have to do is turn it upside down, use the bottom, and then transfer your cutout onto it. It's a very smart way of working, guys. You don't necessarily have to go and get the tart cases. If you don't have it, it's absolutely fine. Grab your cupcake cases, transfer your dough onto it, yeah, and you're good to go. Yeah, perfect. So we're gonna bake this in the oven. I use gas, so I usually refer to this as gas mark 4 for 25 minutes, which is equivalent to 170, yeah, I think 170 degrees Celsius, but I just use gas mark, basically gas mark 4. So whilst that is baking, I brought out my cream. So these are both the whipped cream and the cream itself, and then we sort of incorporate everything. Use the hand mixer to bring everything together, and then once that is evenly mixed, get out your piping bag if you have one. And trust me, you will need one. It helps and makes the job even more beautiful. Yeah, so transfer the cream into the bag, and you can tell My shortbread is ready. Beautiful tarts on there. Look at that. It's nice and easy to make. Don't have to go and then buy yourself tart cases or anything like that. It's a smart way of working. So once that is all done, we pipe it. Pipe the cream into our tarts like so. Very, very quick appetizer, guys. The entire family is gonna enjoy this. Absolutely delicious. I can't even tell you how delicious this was. I had some guests come round. I know they'll be watching the video. So Pa, if you're watching this, I'm giving you a shout out. You guys should try it. Try it. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this on your Christmas dinner table. Gorgeous, isn't it? If you have thoroughly enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. If you're not already subscribed, be part of Dinner with the Raja family. Thank you for watching. See you later and God bless you.